What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. You guys saw the thumbnail. You guys know what we're doing today. We're going to pick up the brand new Z06. Right now we are on Frankie's brand new TRX. Oh yeah! We got Branko following us in this. So 3 years ago, almost to the day, I came over here to Stingray Chevrolet, put a deposit down on my C8 Corvette, ended up getting it at another dealership, and then moved my deposit from the C8 to the Z06. Well, today we're here and it's right here. So clean. Yeah, on the window? Sir, please don't touch the phone. Oh, first cold start on the C8 Z06. All right. First drive in the Z06. We're just gonna move it to a different parking spot so we can check it out a little better. Oh my gosh, the way the dual clutch engages too, way different than the C8. It has like a slip to it. And you have to like, it has to like catch. That's different. It's so different than the C8, how the dual clutch engages. Yeah, it slips.
You start putting a little bit down and you're like, nothing's happening.
It's slipping, yeah. Oh man. I gotta hear it, that valve's closed.
I think you're on sport mode, aren't you?
We're on touring. There's sport.
There you go.
There you go. So it opened up a little bit. It's only 2,500 RPM. It's barely giving it. Man, this thing looks good. I love the wheels. Oh, baby. Who built my motor? Andrew Goins built it. Show me your shirt. Show me your shirt. Heck yeah. Got my Z06 shirt. Heck yeah. First start as the owner of the Z06. Keep those open. Let's get these plastic off the seats. Woo! Take yours off.
I'll let you do the honors.
I appreciate you. Get in this bad boy. I got the window sticker over here. We'll go over this later. Oh, 111.45.
You remember Z mode from the other, and you can in this screen you can change it. And then on your My mode, this is where you can set up your mode, however you like it.
As you say no. Donuts?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Donuts.
So check this out. You have the app too, right? For your TRX?
Yeah, I can start from my phone too.
Yeah?
Yeah? Cam, stick shit.
Since.
But wait, the Camaro has an app, right?
It has an app, I can't start it.
Because the
stick shit.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, the pop. Oh my god, guys. We own a 2023 C8 Z06. It's official. Paperwork's done. We're letting my passenger princess in for the very first time. There you go. Woo! That's the L1 now. Ooh, you saw that display? It's a new graphic. Oh man, there's a new graphic on there. I didn't get to show you guys the whole thing. That's the end of it. First impressions, this thing's way stiffer than the C8. The clutch is so weird, way different than the C8. It slips. The C8 would grab instantly. The C8 Z06, it slips like a GT3 RS. Woo! Do you hear this thing? This is all touring mode. This isn't even sport mode. Let me put it in sport mode. So you hear the sound. She is home, safe and sound. We got 79 miles on her from the first day. Got her parked in the garage. I don't know if you guys remember what the garage looked like last time. We had all the shelves on this side. We cleared it all out. I'm gonna do a garage makeover in one of these videos. We're gonna paint it, put the lights up so we can do the install videos and not have an issue with lighting. But she's home, guys. Finally got her here. And look what else we got. same day. Paragon Performance, massive box. Can't wait to show you guys what's in there. Corey from Paragon Performance is actually coming down next week, and he's gonna help me install all those parts on the Z06. But guys, the Z06, it's amazing, just like you guys seen on all the other videos. It truly is an amazing car. It's totally different from the C8. Tomorrow we're actually gonna go out and take it out for its first drive, give you guys the first impressions on it, because today it's been a lot of excitement. I can't really get my words together, but tomorrow we'll go for that first drive. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.